What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I'm kind of in the middle of like a small modification here. What I'm doing is, I'm not showing it on video, but what I did here, or what I'm doing, is changing everything to LED. So basically all the incandescent bulbs that's in the car, around the car, especially inside. Inside is like a yellowish orange. It's so like very dull. Like I didn't realize how bad it was, but I think I changed it too back in the day. But right now I'm changing everything. So if you can see here, I already did the inside. So that's LED, white LED. I changed the license plate already. The license plate dome lights under here. Hard to see, but there's two in there. I didn't change the reverse light yet. Those are the same bulbs as the turn signals. I didn't change those. I'm not sure if I want to. I kind of just left them because they're not always on. They're only used when they're being used. So the ones that are important are these, the headlights. They're very, very bad in terms of like, also the bulb was probably really old. So I went ahead and changed those to LED. I'll show you guys that in a second. Here's the example of what was on there. This one looks really new, so probably a recent replacement, but still it was not outputting any light during nighttime. Like you barely see anything. It's like holding a candle essentially in front of the car. You can't see anything. So I'm gonna turn it on now, show you guys the result. So if you're following me on Instagram, I'm gonna save this on my FD highlights so you guys can see the results of before and after. But look at that. Look at the results. This is outputting so much light. I mean, it's daytime right now. We're gonna test it at night. Maybe I'll do a nighttime drive. I always been doing nighttime drives because that's the only time I have. But here's what it looks like. So I changed these two. These are the DRLs, I think, for the FD. So it's like it's consuming less energy now, because usually when I turn on the headlight, my battery tender will start to charge. See, it's already fully charged, and I have my light. I've been turning on the light, leaving it on like that, and it's not consuming much power. So the LED is for sure. I think you can hear that. Can you hear that? The LED itself has a fan built in. So this is the, let me show you the box. I guess I'll link it to you if you're an FD owner or whatever. But I just found this in Amazon. It's not a sponsored item. So this is the size that I have. But you can see, you can kind of hear it. It has a built-in fan, so it's not gonna overheat or anything. It has a built-in fan. That's what it says right there. Instant on, efficient. So basic LED, made in China, stuff like that. So it's really bright. I don't know how long it'll last. We'll find out. But I just installed it, and it's completely changed the light output of the FD. So, all right, guys. So we are here, nighttime. I'm just trying to drive around, test the headlight. Here kind of like in a dark area. There's lights here, but you can see how the light throw is all the way down there. You can kind of see it. So basically this is my light right here. Before it would only throw it like right about here, like that much. So but now with just a light bulb change, I don't have to change the whole headlight assembly. The light is, you can see all the way to that curb. It's shined. It's not focusing, but all the way up to there. So I think that's such an improvement. It's like $30 for this bulb, and it's super bright. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I mean, if it fails, just buy another one, $30. But it's much nicer driving this at night, because I like driving at night. There's like not a lot of people, and not a lot of people really on the road. It's much nicer to enjoy the car. Yeah, so also that's the only time I have nowadays, always working. So walk around at the car, nothing else. So yeah, nothing is on the back except for the reverse lights, but that's like I don't know if I want to change it to LED. I could change it to LED, I guess, but the license plate light I changed. I guess the tail lights would be nice if I had the 99 spec tail lights. I'm debating if I want to change it all, but so far this is how it is. You know, just kind of spending time with the car, getting to know it. I just did a second fill up of gas, second premix treatment. I'm gonna be doing that, you know, for as long as I have the car. But yeah, there it is. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching.